Welcome to Moodle for Everyone. I'm Dr. Edward Bethel, and in this video, we're going to look at how you can add learning content to your Moodle course. So we looked at in earlier videos how we could create Moodle pages, and we also looked at how we could upload files directly to the website. In this video, we're going to explore how you can use those two content types and one other to create learning content in your course. So as always, we first ensure that editing is turned on, and note that because we see the edit sign right next to each of the content types, we know that editing is on and you can go ahead and edit your course. So the first thing we're going to do is look at how you can add files as learning content to your course. So I'm going to go to one of my folders. We said that what you could do in order to build learning content into your course is just to drag and drop files directly onto your desktop. So I have a file, oh, those are quite big, so I'm going to try and find something a little smaller that might upload a little more quickly. So let's grab this one here. I'm going to just drag this file onto the desktop. And that's one of my pieces of learning content. And you'll notice that once it's uploaded, the icon changes to a PDF icon so that you know straight away that that's a PDF file. I'm going to go and get a couple more pieces. I'm going to drag this document as well. And what do we have in here? Yep, I'm going to drag this one in here as well. Uni online quality criteria. Good. Note that these files could really be any type, but we recommend that you use PDFs especially because they can be read on any device. Things like PowerPoint files and Word documents sometimes have a little bit of difficulty opening in phones or on tablets, so we recommend using PDFs or creating Moodle pages themselves because these will definitely open on any device that the students are using. So that's how you can upload files. The second thing that we're going to be looking at is how you can go in and edit content pages. So we have this one here, a sample content page, and we can just click on that and you will see some content about highest common factor and soccer teams and whatnot. You can go ahead and edit that or create that from scratch. If it is a page that's already created, you can edit it by clicking the cogwheel in the top right, edit settings. Again, the description tells the student what they need to do for that particular content type. That appears on the course homepage if you check this box here. And then the next edit window just gives you the window to actually go ahead and create the content yourself. And so we have all of this content about soccer and math with text, images, and that's a more rich experience when you mix in text and images or text and audio, text and video. Each of these need to be distinct. Try not to repeat what has been said in the text, in the image or in the video, but make them complementary where they refer to each other. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and save and display. And you will actually see that content. And then you can return to the course by using the breadcrumb up here. This list of places separated by slashes, this is known as a breadcrumb and will allow you to navigate back and forward through the course. So we want to go back to module 1, so we just click on module 1 and we're taking it there. So we've looked at two ways to add content to the course. One, by dragging and dropping files to the course desktop. Two, by creating and editing content pages. Note that if you want to create a new content page, you can just go ahead and add an activity or a resource and select page, as we did earlier. And then you can go ahead and create your new page with the new content there, putting the new title and then the new content in the relative boxes. When you're done, you would just click save. I'm going to cancel this because we'll go back to the course and look at the third way to integrate content into your course, and that is to pull content from the web. And you'll notice once I do that, you'll see a different icon again. So I have some content out here on the web. It's on Adobe Spark, and I want to pull this and pull this into my course. So the first thing I'm going to do is go and copy the URL from the address bar, and I'm going to then go back to my course, and I'm going to click on Add an Activity or Resource. And this time, what I want to add is a URL. And note that URLs show up as a page with this little globe in the corner, indicating that that is a link to the World Wide Web. So I click on URL, and as always, it asks for the name. Oop, oh dear. And then I just insert the link. And again, I can put a little description. And when I wanted to show on the page, I would just click display description on course page. When I click here, I am taken back to the home page, and I should see that link appearing as a link for the schedule of the UB faculty seminar. Good, so that's 3 ways that you can add static content to your course. The first was to add files by dragging and dropping. The second was to add or edit a Moodle page. And the third is to add a URL, which is a link to another website on the internet. Note that you can move any of these content pieces by just grabbing this crosshair and dragging and dropping the content wherever you want it on your course. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helped. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click like.